rent, cause I feel me money. Independent gal, real number one trending gal. Now fi check when me spending gal. Have me one house.
Hi guys, it's Mikayla and I'm back with another video for you guys. So as you can see from the title, I'm about to be doing this wash and go, something really quick and easy. I was at Target the other day and I wanted to try out this new Cantu Styling Gel. I never saw it before, so I wanted to try it out to see, how it holds up, And I'll be using that with the Cantu curling cream to see if the combination works good or not. So as you can see, I am parting my hair in twos and then wrapping that, and then parting the halves into two sections so I could work with one section at a time. And now I'm just going to be taking the curling cream and I'll be putting that in my hair, and then I'm just going to like comb it out, you know. And now I'm taking my Denman brush and I am brushing my hair, from the roots to the the ends, and then, just brushing it through so I can really get my curls like more defined. The Denman brush really helps with that. Alright, so now I'm taking just a good amount of that Cantu Styling Gel and placing that in my hair and then raking it through my hair to get it nice and even and distributed. And then I'm taking small pieces of my hair and I don't know if it's called like finger coiling or shingling my hair, but I'm only doing it to the bottom and like the top of my hair. And I just leave the middle alone because if I were to do my whole head like that, it would take like a long time. But if you guys want to see a video of that, then just let me know of me doing my whole hair with the foil method, Guys, I just hate when I'm combing through my hair and then like some of my hair comes out in my hands. It's just so messy and it just gets everywhere. Alright, so I finished half of my hair, and now I'm taking some more gel and just applying it through my hair, and then I'm going to use some of that gel and like scrunch up my hair. So I have more gel in my hair, and more gel, the better the hold. So I'm just scrunching that, and then as you can see, I took out the other side of my hair, and now I'm about to do the rest of my hair, and I'm going to speed that up for you guys. Alright, so now that my hair is finished, I'm gonna start on my edges and just let you guys know, like, I suck at edges. Like, it's, yeah, it's just bad. So I'm taking the Cantu edge control. I wanted to try it out, and I'm just applying that, to the edges of my hair, my little baby hairs or whatnot. And I'm taking the little edge comb slash brush, and I'm trying to do like these little swoops in my hair, but like honestly, as you can see like from the video, like it really wasn't working. There was like parts in the video where like you see my facial expressions, and like I just like given up at that point. Like, yeah. I honestly tried, but like I'm not good when it comes to doing edges at all. Like I really just try my best. Sometimes I just like honestly just put some gel and just slick it down and call it a day because I don't have time. I really don't. Alright guys, so now I'm about to be taking my blow dryer, and I put it on the cool setting on high, and I'm just applying that to my hair. I don't normally dry my hair, I normally air dry it, and now I'm gonna take my diffuser and just diffuse my hair, crunching it. I did this for like about a good 10-15 minutes, just doing it all over. Alright guys, so my hair is officially finished drying, and now I'm taking this Jamaican castor oil and I'm just applying it to my hair, so my hair doesn't look dry. And yeah, my curls came out pretty nice. I liked it. The gel wasn't really that much of a hole. I still prefer my Eco Styler, but yeah, it came out good. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.